Hi, my dear farmer friends. Welcome to Farmer Job Alert YouTube channel. So there are some vacancies. So what are the open positions? The open positions include quality control, so officer level to executive, and QA officer to executive, and maintenance engineering department. So they require candidates for the greenfield project in API manufacturing facility for Mangrove Surat location. Job location is Vitanosh Ingredients Private Limited, Agro Mega Food Park, Mangrove District, Surat. So interested candidates, you need to share your CV Vinayak at the rate of lactoseindialimited.com. So these are the details regarding the vacancy, my dear friends. So please utilize the opportunity and share this job update information with your friends. So those who want to shift to a new company. And thank you all for watching. If you have any details, you can ask them through the mail ID provided here. So guys, there are many job updates that are being uploaded in our channel. Please have a look at them. If you are suitable for them, you utilize the opportunity and share the job information, because information is valuable nowadays. So share sharing information. Please support us. Thank you.